everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to export your Solflare Wallet private keys. To export your Solflare Wallet private key, open up your Solflare Wallet on your phone or browser extension. Soon after you open up your Solflare Wallet app, from the home page, tap on the hamburger menu appearing at the top left corner. This will then show you all of your wallets. Go ahead and swipe left on your wallet that you are trying to export and click on the little pencil icon. In the pop-up appearing at the bottom, click on Export Private Key. Your private key will be displayed on the next page. Tap on the Show button to reveal them. Never share your private key with anyone or never reveal this private key with anyone, since they can gain full control of your wallet if you do. Once you tap on Show, this will reveal your private key. Once you do, go ahead and tap on the Copy button in order to copy your private key. Now that you've copied your private key, you can go ahead and paste in your private key in a secure and a locked folder. So that is how you export your Solflare Wallet's private key. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.